Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Zero DSR NA ZF 14.4. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 2,064 miles and passes New York State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's front tire tread depth at 430 seconds and the rear at 430 seconds as well. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the top of the front fender, and scratches on the left side of the fairing. This bike has 2 keys and comes equipped with ABS. This is a stock bike with a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.